Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing what's it called? Jurassic World Evolution 2, and yeah, or something like
If
that.
Owen and Lambert do what they say they can, we're going to need facilities in place for the flyers when they arrive.
Wait, how do I?
Let's start with some aviary domes and a hatchery. Oh, we also need an expedition center, and as you heard, time is not on our side.
Okay, how do I? Okay, hold up. What did we need? Okay, I'm assuming we really need an expedition center. Z. Okay. Paleo Medical Bay, I think is what that said. Yeah, medical facility, response facility. I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. What I do know I'm gonna do is I'm getting a new generator, that's for sure. Uh, Clearly I need to hire scientists. Uh, 3 out of 7, 3 out of 8. You're joking me, right? Ouch. Is 3 out of 8 the best we're gonna get on the middle row? 2 forwards? That's like better. I'm taking that one instead. Okay, 1/4 so far is the best on the bottom row. 3/7. That's like better than 1/4. I know that much. I don't know why my brain just broke there for half a second. Okay. What are you saying? Wait a minute. Come on. Okay, can I look at my scientist, please? Who's you? You are unassigned? Train. Huh? Oh, you need to unlock it. You gotta be joking me. Hold up. If you gotta unlock it, then clearly I need to get like 2 more. Oh, we're running out of people. Why are you so expensive? Faster extraction. I guess I'll take this one. And reduce salary by 100%? Figure that's not possible, so I guess I'll take this guy. And we are completely full. No, we want missions, kind of. Man, where do I... Oh. Research stuff. Wait a minute, this isn't the right research place. Wait a minute. Hold up. I mean, it's in the research tab. Infrastructure. Oh, you gotta be joking me, right? Oh, man. I just realized what that... Oh, I see what it means now. Okay. Why can't I get rid of this? Whatever. Just lost some money somehow. Stop yeeing my thing across the map, bro. I know there's a lot of new stuff. Here we go. Okay, we need... Yeah. You and you can go work on that. While you and you go work on that. I want in that. Oh, you can build like a double. You can build like, you could build infinite. Where would energy be? Probably facilities, right? No. Operatives. I mean, do we have an emergency center anywhere? That's kind of important, don't you think? you go. As you can see, I somewhat know what I'm doing. I'm not gonna say I do know what I'm doing because that would be an absolute lie. Can't tell you when the last time I played this game was.
We're ready on this end. We can send out expeditions for remote capture.
These creatures can cover a lot of ground from the air, so we should snap to it.
All right, let's fly the not-so-friendly skies.
Wait, get this medical thing on my... Dude, you guys seen this? It won't let me do anything. Give me half a second, bro. I'm trying to figure out where my flipping squads are. I don't want that. Staff center. No. Do I like not have? I don't I? Wait a minute. Why don't we have all these? Okay, where's all this stuff at? How come I don't have one of these? Right next to the hood, like... right next to the new stuff. Dude, what is it doing? No, we don't want capture team. We want ranger team. Stop pushing my fucking camera to the side, bro. Add task.
Yeah, but so odd.
Okay. Come on, yes, I want to do the mission. It's not letting me do the flipping mission, bro. I know, I'm trying to catch this stupid flipping bird thing. Dude, give it to me. What is going on? You guys seen this? It won't let me do the mission. Yeah, how am I supposed to do? Oh my god, bro, this game doesn't make any sense.
Controls retaken.
It's not. Oh. Where is the expedition map? I'll just tell you where this stuff is. No, it's gotta make everything such a pain. Can the game just be normal for once? Finally.
We have captured flyers ready to deliver.
Have them brought to the aviary hatchery by our transport team. We'll then release them into the domes.
And by release, you mean contain?
Yes, in a controlled environment and under our supervision and care.
Excellent.
We should be on schedule to deliver assets to the other site.
There you go. I don't even know what they need yet, actually. Can we just like go find dinosaurs around here? Okay, wait a minute. How long does it take them, bro? Five out of 5 captured, nice.
Commencing asset transit.
I like how they all just fly in.
Asset transported.
And then they're all just hovering there because they don't know what to do.
Confirming asset delivery.
By the way, I forgot to say this at the beginning of the video, but I did. I have done quite a bit on this game before. However, my lack of knowledge makes it look
Asset
like
delivery confirmed.
I didn't know what I was doing.
Asset has been transported.
Looks like we might be getting things under control.
I would say famous last words. Given the number of times that I could have used this very phrase over the years, I'm going to go with, quote, predictable, unquote, last words instead.
Dr. Malcolm, why are you contacting us?
Same thing as always, the dinosaurs. And my obsessive need to witness the car crash when it happens.
It's good to hear from you again, Dr. Malcolm.
Dr. Dua, you're now increasing the so-called intelligence part of the CIA, if I'm to understand correctly.
We do what we can.
Yes, we do what we can, and sometimes more than we should. Interesting times, and I mean times as the dinosaurs are living in ours. Should they be here? No. Are they? Yes. Ergo, they should. And the hidden hand of chaos is revealed.
It's what else remains hidden that's concerning me at the moment, Doctor.
Oh, yes, indeed. Yes. And that's why I brought somebody with me to help shed some light in this regard, Mr. Isaac Clement. Yeah, a specialist of the spectacular.
I can't put another one in there for some
You
reason.
should be hearing from him soon.
These dinosaurs require feeders if they're to stay healthy. Stay on top of it.
Hey, I'm Isaac Clement. Dr. Malcolm should have mentioned me earlier. We have some specific requirements, including a ranger team to gather information and monitor the animals within the aviary. A viewing gallery is also on our list. So, now it's on yours.
Hey, Claire. I've been thinking.
When you think it makes me nervous.
No, seriously. why the flyers?
Okay, I'm not following you.
Dr. Malcolm starts contacting Dr. Dua from who knows where, and these flying reptiles become an issue. Why?
Because they introduce a unique danger? And he's concerned?
Yeah, that's probably it.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves, Owen. For now, we should make sure the satisfaction levels for the flyers is high. That's verifiable data we can use. Forget the conspiracy angle.
Hello? We're chasing prehistoric animals, Claire. Reality ain't what it used to be.
Let's see how well this looks in a few seconds. Oh no, my mouse. I hate that it does that for you. Okay, I did see this earlier. They really like rocks for some reason. Now what I'm meant to do?
You were right, Dr. Malcolm.
It's sort of my thing.
The facility is functioning as anticipated.
We have enough assets in the pipeline that we should be able to move forward soon.
Right now we're putting out brush fires, but this is an inferno that could engulf the world.
Your concern is noted.
For now, I suggest we focus on this location. It's about high welfare and visibility for the animals. And safety for the DFW staff, of course.
Learning to coexist with the dinosaurs is a process. We're getting there.
And if we don't, where's that leave us? We will have created an apocalypse born of our arrogance, humanity versus the dinosaurs, and honestly, I'm not sure who deserves to win.
This dude is just... What is with this dude and just not being able to chill, bro?
If we want to find success, we must look to the sky. That means more flyers, and more species of flyers in the aviaries. Flap, not flop. Huh?
This dude sucks at jokes. Ouch, is expensive. Asset reading, what? Ooh, Dimorphodons are kind of dangerous. Pteranodons. I should do quite well. Alright, these guys all pterodons. Yeah. Ooh, 3 out of 4 of them were captured.
Asset transportation underway.
Wait, I'm not done with that.
Asset delivered. Asset
Why won't
transportation
it
complete.
let me get this one here? Oh, wait a minute. Maybe because it kind of forces you to get this stupid thing. And we also kind of need to get
Transportation complete.
feels like the most expensive thing in this game, bro. Also, are you on? Yes, you are. Ouch. And the reason I built this control room was so I could. Those are 6 dimorphodons. Wait. And these are what I'm gonna take, I guess. Sure. Are you guys completely fine? Yep, by the looks of it. Okay, I've cycled through like all of them already. What does it mean, asset rating, bro? Well, I've got it in the video soon, actually. Real quick, I want to get these dimorphodons in real quick before we end the video, though. That is very annoying. Whatever. Let's go, we got all 6 of them, nice.
Transporting asset.
Okay, they eat fish.
Asset has been delivered. Asset transportation in progress. Delivery has been completed.
Oh, you guys are tiny. And fast, holy snap.
Asset transported.
Well, still. It wants a lot of sand. And that's...
Delivery complete.
It just wants a lot of sand. That's literally it.
Asset delivered. Asset transportation complete.
Where is he? Oh, they're literally, like, trying to get into there. Alright. Well, what? Really?
Even contrived planned, and managed beauty has its charms. But what appeals to the senses is the asymmetry of nature. Its rough edges, its mistakes, a tree that is both out of place and exactly where it needs to
Well, I'll
be.
see you guys in the next one, like always. Peace.